이거 얼마예요? 그거 10,000원이에요. 이게 10,000원이에요? 비싸네요. 저것은 얼마예요? 저거는 5,000원이에요. 안녕하세요, 여러분. Hello guys. Today we are going to learn about 이, 그, and 저. These are demonstrative pronouns and 이 means this, 그 means that, and 저 means that. 이, 그, and 저 cannot be used by itself, so these should be combined with a noun. For example, 이것, 그것, 저것, which mean this thing, that thing, that thing. Or 이 사람, 그 사람, 저 사람. This person, that person, that person. Or 이곳, 그곳, 저곳. This place, that place, that place. Or 이 남자, 그 남자, 저 남자. This man, that man, that man. Then let's get to know 이 and 그 first. 이 is used when talking about something or someone that is close to the speaker physically, or 그 is used when talking about something or someone that is close to the listener physically or mentally. As I mentioned right before, 이 and 그 cannot be used by itself, so for now, let's use 이것 and 그것, which mean this thing and that thing. You can see there are two situations. For explanation, let's say his name is 민수. 민수, who is speaker, is close to the calendar. So, 민수 should say to his friends, 이것은 달력이에요, which means this is calendar. In second situation, 민수's friends, who is listener, is close to a chair. So 민수 should say to his friends, 그것은 의자예요, which means that is a chair. Let's see another example. In this situation, both 민수 and his girlfriends are close to the pencil. So 민수 should say to her, 이것은 뭐예요? Which means what is this? And she should answer, 이것은 연필이에요, which means this is a pencil. And look at the other situation. The bag is close to 민수's girlfriend's, so 민수 should say to her, 그것이 뭐예요? Which means what is that? And she should answer, 이것은 가방이에요, which means this is a bag. I hope you understand 이 and 그. Then let's move on to 저. 저 is used when talking about something or someone that is away from both listener and speaker physically. Let's see some example for 저. In this situation, both 민수 and his friends are away from the bag. In this case, 민수 should say to his friends, 저것은 가방이에요, which means that is a bag, not using 이것은 or 그것은. And likewise, in this situation, 민수 and his girlfriends are away from the clock. So 민수 should say to her, 저것은 뭐예요? Which means what is that? And she should answer, 저것은 시계예요, which means that is a clock. 이건, 이것은, 이거는. 그건, 그것은, 그거는. 저건, 저것은, 저거는. 이게, 이것이. 그게, 그것이. 저게, 저것이. I hope you guys all understand 이, 그, and 저. Then let's answer a quiz.